ChatGPT doesn't remember past chats. That can be really annoying. But thankfully, there is a quick fix. Here's an example. Let's say we want ChatGPT to remember your business, so we don't have to remind every single time we have a conversation. I'm Eddie, and I'm a personal trainer. I have a small business helping people in my local area get fit. I also run online sessions for people all over the country. I want you to learn about my business brand, values, and voice. Please ask me 15 questions to help you do this. Now, ChatGPT is going to ask us lots of questions about our business. Now, obviously, doing this every single time you have a new conversation with ChatGPT is very tedious. So here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to answer the questions that ChatGPT asked us, and then, in the next prompt, we're going to say, please provide me with a summary of my business that I can use to teach you about me in future chats. Now, we simply copy that summary and store it away to use in future conversations. And next time we use ChatGPT, we can say, here is a summary of my personal training business, and then we paste in the summary. And now we can get straight to work asking it to do tasks for us without having to worry about priming it with the information beforehand. For more